The article criticized CNN's coverage of the Israel-Hamas conflict, arguing that it reflects a biased American liberal perspective. While Europe, notably France, sympathizes with the Palestinian cause, the author suggests the current war won't benefit Palestinians. The historical use of violence by Palestinians for attention is contrasted with today's religious context. The rise of political Islam is noted, causing division among Muslims. The article deems Hamas' attack a blunder, irrespective of blame, due to misreading the global context, hindering Palestinian interests. Religious extremism, the author concludes, alienates Muslims who differ in political views.
The article highlights the significance of the Bihar Jati Adharit Ganna, a caste-based survey released by the Bihar government on 2 October 2023. Advocating for accurate caste-based data, the article emphasizes its importance in evidence-based policy formulation, targeted welfare programs, and evaluating the effectiveness of social justice policies. The caste census can ensure fair representation, transparency, and accountability in government efforts, preventing misuse of caste certificates. Despite debates, the article argues for committed government intervention to address historical injustices, uphold constitutional mandates, protect human rights, promote social cohesion, bridge economic disparities, ensure equal education and employment opportunities, enhance political representation, raise awareness, and strengthen anti-discrimination laws to eradicate caste discrimination in India.
The upcoming elections in Rajasthan are poised as a battle between the incumbent Congress government, led by Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, and the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. Rajasthan has a history of ruling parties losing power, and both parties are strategizing to secure a majority in the 200-member state assembly, with polling scheduled for 25th November. Gehlot's administration has managed anti-incumbency sentiments through welfare schemes and outreach, but faces challenges in managing individual Congress MLAs. The BJP, aiming for independence from leader Vasundhara Raje, struggles with internal dynamics, relying on PM Modi's popularity. The Rajasthan election outcome will significantly influence BJP's 2024 Lok Sabha election strategy.
The decision to resurrect a 2010 criminal case against writer activist Arundhati Roy and academician Sheikh Shaukat Hussain in Delhi, involving alleged divisive speeches against national unity, has raised concerns of political vendetta. Despite the Delhi police initially dismissing sedition charges, a metropolitan magistrate directed filing an FIR in 2010. The Lieutenant Governor approved prosecution for other offences, excluding sedition due to a Supreme Court bar. The case's revival, amid recent arrests of civil society figures, reflects intolerance. Questions arise regarding the case's legitimacy, considering changes in Kashmir's political landscape and the possibility of prosecution being barred by limitations.
The recent release of Bihar's caste survey data, showing OBCs, SCs, and STs constitute 84% of the population, has reignited debates about the 50% cap on reservations set by the Supreme Court in 1992. Experts argue the 50% ceiling is arbitrary and could be challenged, especially with some states already exceeding it. The discussion highlights the need for subcategorization within OBCs and challenges in defining backward classes. The conversation also delves into concerns about accentuating caste identities, potential political implications, and the necessity of addressing caste-based deprivation while countering divisive mobilization. The discussion compares the situation to Mandal 1.0 in Uttar Pradesh, emphasizing the importance of a unifying force transcending caste identities.
The recent elections in Ladakh's Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council Kargil, Ladakh, have highlighted the complex political landscape of the region. Ladakh, comprising Buddhist-majority Leh and Muslim-majority Kargil districts, became a union territory in 2019. During the elections, the National Conference won the majority of seats, emphasizing Kargil's deep connection with Kashmir and opposition to Ladakh's separation from it. Kargil's politics are influenced by religious seminaries, the Imam Khomeini Memorial Trust and the Islamia School Kargil, both opposing Ladakh's separation from Kashmir. The region's identity and affiliation with Kashmir remain crucial political issues, affecting party dynamics in the area.
The demand for a nationwide caste census in India has gained momentum, with socioeconomic data indicating the persistent intersection of caste-based deprivation and poverty. The Mandal Commission's recommendation of 27% reservation for other backward classes, OBCs, was upheld by the Supreme Court in 1992. The opposition to a caste census stems from fears of increased demands for OBC reservation quotas. With the Supreme Court validating reservation quotas beyond the 50% threshold, the need for accurate data on OBC populations has become crucial. A nationwide socio-economic caste census is deemed necessary to understand the population share and subcategorization of OBCs.
The significance of hand hygiene, once a routine practice, intensified during the COVID-19 pandemic, transforming into a crucial defense mechanism against the virus. Hand washing, emphasized globally by health experts, became a powerful tool in reducing the transmission of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Initiatives like Global Hand Washing Day, observed on 15th October annually, aim to promote this practice. However, as the pandemic's immediacy wanes, strict adherence to hand hygiene practices diminishes. Despite awareness, gaps in knowledge about proper hand washing persist. The government's cohesive communication framework, infrastructure development, and educational integration are deemed crucial to sustaining and enhancing hand hygiene awareness among the public.